1 in 4 people experience domestic abuse. The majority of these are women.
Letting sexist jokes, catcalling and comments slide by might seem harmless, but they can lead to abuse.
I speak up because this is not acceptable.
I speak up because I want my sons to know how to be good men.
I speak up because I want my daughters to be safe and happy.
I speak up because I want to be a good role model for my kids.
I speak up because I see the impact every day in my work.
I speak up because I want to be part of the solution, even though I'm not part of the problem.
I speak up by calling out sexist jokes and behaviours.
I speak up by believing victims.
I speak up by taking responsibility.
I speak up because male abuse affects us all.
When men and boys speak up for women, they break the cycle of abuse and build a culture of respect. Change happens when men speak up. This White Ribbon Day.